Welcome to Boman Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about a built-in function in Python we call input. So let's take for example, you create a software where you want to get a feedback from the client or from people who will use the software. You used to use Python input function. That function will allow your user to write whatever question that is asked with the app or the software that you build. So this is what we're going to do today. So the first thing we need to create our Python file. Remember, I'm using PyCharm. The same thing we do in PyCharm, you can also do it in different code editors. So let's come here to my project. So I can come here to my project, right click. So now right click, you will see new. Now come to Python file. And this file I'm going to name it input1. So input1.py, the extension for Python, and enter. So when I finish, I enter. Now let's write a comment. So I can write a comment here, and I can say working with input, input in Python. Okay, working with input in Python. Now let's say you want to ask somebody that name for that name. So let's say name is equal to input, the name of the function. So input is a function. Then, so this is a string. So I put my divider command and I ask the question, is what is your name? Isn't it? So I ask this question, what is your name? Now I want to print all name. So I come here like this, enter and say print name, the variable name. Yep. So I can save this and I can run this. So they asking me what is your name. So now I can come here and I enter. Say my name is Bama. Now so and I enter. So you see, open up Bama. So remember, they asked me a question. What is your name? Now, what if I want to say, for example, now I want to use concatenation now, where they will ask me what is your name or what is your family name, and I say my family name is so and so. Then they'll print up your family name is, call the name of my family. Why if I want to do that using concatenation? So look here now. So I can come here. Let me comment this so that we cannot get confused. Right. So I come here like this. So now I say name is equal to the variable now. So I'm using string. Yeah. So say I'm using string. So I'll put this here str string parenthesis input parenthesis divider comma. I will ask this question: what is your last name? What is your last name? Now, if I'm done, I'll come here like this and enter. So I want to print out my last name is so and so. Thank you. So we say print. We'll use the print command and we'll say my last name is, so you see, so I'll say my last name is, for the plus here, concatenation. So give a space, name, which is name also, yeah. Also give a space and put plus and put inverted comma, give a space and come here. Now you want to develop a break. Also, you want to develop a break. So what we'll do, we'll put single inverted comma slash and yes, and we'll come here and say and put an inverted comma. I will say thank you for asking. So that's what we did. So now they will ask. Okay, so instead of putting here, let's say last name. Yeah, that kind of the last name. So now here now we change it. We change it to last name. So the last name is yes. So now let's run this and see. So we can come here, run this. So they asking what is your last name? So I can give space and I can say my last name is Boyman. You see, my last name is Boyman. Thank you for asking. So you see, so this is what we call concatenation. So we give our input, then it write a sentence for us. Now I want for us to do a small project where we want to collect data from our user. So we're going to build a data app just by using the input command. So now let's comment this so that we cannot get confused. So we can come here like this. We can do this. We can also do this so that we cannot get confused. So enter. Yeah, so I'll write a comment here. Collecting data. Collecting data app. Yeah, this is the app we want to build. So we want to collect data. So okay, very good. Collecting data app. So the first thing we'll put print here like this. The print command that will work on. That will see put a print command here. And in the point further command I will say welcome to tech for everyone. Tech for everyone data center. Data center. Tech for everyone. Welcome to Tech for Everyone data center. So the first one will be on the app. Open the app, that's what will happen. Now we want to ask for the name and age and the address of those who are filling up the form. So what we could do, we can say name, enter space, and we say input, inverted comma, what is your name? What is your full name? Let's say full. Yeah. What is your full name? Yeah. So ask that question. What is your full name? Then we'll also ask the question that will say, how old are you? So we'll say age is equal to. Now, before we continue, remember we want to do concatenation. So in doing concatenation, age is an integer. So by right, we need to convert that integer or that number into string. So what we do, we say string, we put string here, then we put parenthesis, and we put input. Yes, so we put input of ask, How old are, oh sorry, we should put this in inverted comma. So that put it in inverted comma. How are how old are you? Okay. How old are you? So as time go back, we start to do conditional statement. We'll start to build form that will put condition there and say if you are so and so age, you're not eligible to do this and so forth. But we'll get to that. So now we're asking, how old are you? Now we want to know the address of those filling in the form. So what we can do, we declare a variable, call it address is equal to, so input, address is equal to input. So we ask where where do you live? That's the question we're asking. Where do you live? Yeah. So, or question mark there. So we ask this question. Where do you live? Now let's try so you can be able to see it. Yeah. So we come here like this. We run this. Okay, so they asking us for our full name. So we can come here like this. So my name is Tomakwe. Enter. And how old are you? So my age is 43. 44. So 40. So it's asking where do you live? So I live where I like. So as I live where I like. So isn't it? So ask me this question. Now we want for you to concatenate. So when the app, the first thing you see what the app said, it said welcome to Tech for Everyone Data Center. So we're collecting, we want for our user to fill in this app asking question. Now, we want to do concatenation. After filling the app will generate or will do concatenation that will say your full name is Pomakwe, and I am 34 years old and I live where I like. That's what we want for the app to print up. So let's take for example, we can come here like this, we enter and we use the print function now. So we say print, yeah, so we say print, and we say print, full of inverted command. I will say my full name is, yeah, my full name is space plus space, then full name. So remember we have name there now, so yeah, plus USP inverted comma IN. So we want for you to say, oh sorry, IN. I put this. Okay, so then move on. IN. So we'll come here like this, concatenation, put plus IN 34 years old or 56 years old, whatever age you are. Okay, then put years old, years old, and oh sorry, I missed that. Years old. Sometimes you think facts as you tell. Years old. So my full name is Poemakwe Moefet. That's what appear. I am the age, the age. So the age we supposed to come. So I am. So we put you put a plus here. So you come here like this. We haven't put our the variable that will declare age. So I will put age there. Very good. I'm 34 years old and come here like this plus the address So the address to the full and I live or red light is so red light is where I red light is where I live. Okay, red light is where I live. So after finish putting all of our input, the end of the day, we're going to print out this statement about using concatenation. So let's run it and see now. Okay, so they're asking for my full name. So my full name is Brahma. Wait, so enter. Okay, that's how old are you? So say 38. Enter. Where do you live? So I live where I like. Enter. So you see, so you print it up. My full name is Boamakwe. So you see, as you can see, my full name is Boamakwe. I'm 38. So okay, so I put this there like this. Space. I'm 38 years. Okay. I'm 38 years old and I live and where light is where I live. That one again. But you see how close is the 38. So we space here. So okay, so that is space is many. Okay, so that one again. And see. Okay, so that's me. Okay. Yeah. Enter 38. Enter where do you live? Where light? Okay. Enter. Yeah. So you see that now? My full name is Wamakwe. I'm 38 years old and where light is where I live. So thank you for watching this tutorial. So this tutorial is we are working with input function in Python. So we have done a lot. So as time go back, we will develop project, a real life project where you see the user interface and you'll be able to see how you can be able to use these different uh, small functions that we are using, how to use it now. So if you understand the basic, it will be easy as time go back. So thank you for watching. Continue to subscribe to the channel. This is Boima Tutorial.